I actually replaced the Python script running on ec2 with a pure serverless. Now, instead of actually provisioning an entire ec2 instance to run a small Python script, it's just lambda code. So now my architecture is pure serverless, which is actually kind of more logical. It just kind of makes sense because I only need to run my Python code on Vault processor whenever I generate a click. Whenever I generate a post request, whenever I make a click, it has to be processed. So this is a use case for a lambda function, right? Not actually provisioning an entire ec2. Although we can actually make it a auto-scaling group, and I'll probably do this. Anyways, let me quickly show you what's going on. So it's actually 4 votes, and as you can see, it's 50-50. So if I press on A, lambda function will process this click, this post request. If I press on B, it processes the click on B, on candidate B as well. So if I press continuously on A, it's gonna be shifting. So yes, I actually uploaded the code. I had to modify the code a little bit, and I'm almost done with making a Terraform code to provision an entire infrastructure.